This thing I've been looking at for so long now, and it honestly really bothers me. I'm gonna show you guys the right side. This is what the right side looks like, poke wise. Almost flush, has a tiny bit of poke to it, but we go to the left side and this wheel just pokes out like so much. It's just so weird. It's kind of hard to see on camera. You kind of have to see it in person to kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't know, it's just so weird. I don't know how. Two alignments, both camber and the toe are the same on each side. So to compensate for the driver's side poking out more, we picked up some upper control arms for the rear of the car. Never installed upper control arms before, but they seem to be pretty simple. There's really only 2 bolts, or 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now if you guys are trying to fit like massive wheels, really recommended to run a pair of upper control arms. Now the upper control arms act in a way just like camber plates for the fronts. So when you put the uppers on, the top of the wheel gets pushed inwards or outwards. So you can really fit a massive wheel and just tuck the wheel in from the top. Really easy with a pair of upper control arms versus lower control arms, which we have on the car right now. Lower control arms, negative camber wise, pretty much only just push the wheel out, like the bottom of it. The top of the wheel doesn't really sink in or out that much. It kind of just stays almost like the same. All it does is literally just push the bottom of the wheel out for negative camber. So when you're trying to fit really wide wheels in the rear, lower control arms aren't really the best because all it does is just push the wheel out from the bottom. Versus uppers, like I said, it tucks the wheel in from the top so you can fit a huge wheel. For this car, we're not really looking to get like a crazy amount of camber. All I got the uppers for is literally to compensate the tuck on this side, kind of match both sides, just pulling the top of this wheel in just a little bit to match the right side. Kind of crazy just to, you know, get that just for that small amount of poke. But honestly, it's just been bugging me so much. I actually posted it up on Instagram and a lot of you guys are telling me that your car has that as well. Both sides are kind of just different poke wise, even after alignment. Same camber and everything, which is super weird. I don't know what the deal is with that. If you guys have any insight or have dealt with that with your car or fixed it, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll go through all the comments. It's just so weird. I don't know what it could be. Same alignment, same camber and toe, same wheel specs, you know, same offset. I don't know, super annoying, but let's go and throw these upper control arms in. Tired already. Look, we're not wearing Crocs today. Alright guys, side-by-side comparison. Got both sides, both stock upper control arms removed. Stock ones have no adjustability whatsoever. It's literally just 3 mounts and no adjustability right here. Versus the adjustable P2M upper control arms. If you thread this inwards more, that gives us more negative camber. And if you thread it outwards, it'll push the wheel out more, giving it more positive camber. That's pretty much the main difference of the two. Negative camber, good. This side, not so good. Alright guys, both sides are officially in. We have the P2M arms, upper control arms installed onto the car. Wasn't anything too difficult, to be honest. This is my first time ever installing upper control arms. I want to say it's easier than installing lower control arms. There's a lot more going on the bottom. Pretty basic, pretty simple. So I'm gonna throw the wheel on and then air both of the rear bags out and then pretty much jack the wheel up and see where the fitment is, how the poke is on each side, and then if we have to start adjusting, we'll just take the wheel off again and pretty much repeat. I think we have to add more. It's kind of rubbing right here. Time to take the wheel off and then add a little bit more. number 2. Let's see how it fits. Okay, good. I might leave it right here. The whole squad out today. Damn. Gosh. Oh. Oh my dude. Ethan's pops are so loud. Dude. Behind the scenes. For a little photo shoot for the new merch. We got all the cars, got the Slammed Enough lineup pretty much. Yeah, we got Danny, Ethan, and Jason over there. We're getting pics of the new license plate frames, like the one Ethan has on his car. And also, we got new hoodies as well. These ones are so sick. Got all the guys wearing the new hoodies. Also got a license plate frame on the BRZ. So sick. Nice and simple, nothing too crazy. Yo, the BRZ is looking so freaking good right now. So we just installed the upper control arms. That is literally like fender to lip. Looks so sick. Good thing is we actually got both sides to equally match. Like I showed you guys, this side was the one that was poking out more. So it looks like on this side, kind of tucks in a little bit. And just like the passenger, pretty much the same. I still have to get an alignment over at RTA, but I have to install one more part onto this car, and that's for the front. So in the front, I'm adding more camber. I'm just waiting on extended front tie rod ends, I believe that's called, by Racer X. So we're gonna camber the car a little bit on the front, and I'm also gonna camber it more in the rears, but it's looking really, really good so far. I'm just so glad that the rears actually match now. That like bothered me so much. I'm so hyped on it. What do you guys think down in the comment section below? Literally looks like a different car with these wheels, with some better fitment. Damn, that's just crazy. It looks so good. Yet another alignment, guys, for the BRZ. I feel like we always head to the alignment shop towards the end of my videos, but as you guys saw, we installed the upper control arms, and also off camera I actually installed some Racer X extended tie rod ends for the front, and I also adjusted the negative camber for the front as well. So we're running more negative camber on the front, and the car looks so good on all 4 sides. But yeah, let's go ahead and head to the alignment shop right now. Let's go ahead and fix this crooked steering wheel because my toe is super off right now. guys. Car just got off the alignment rack. We got a fresh alignment on the BRZ. Look at that, guys. That looks so good. Pretty much like fender to lip, but it just tucks in just a little bit. What do you guys think down in the comment section below? This thing is, I guess you could say, officially stanced out. This thing looks so good. That shot is so sick. Yeah, the fronts were pretty close to fender to lip. Super, super close. We're like at about a finger gap from the fender. But yeah, guys. Dude, this looks so good. Wow. I'm in love, guys. You guys have been showing so much love and support with the new wheel setup on the car. The full polished wheel setup definitely made such a big difference. And you can't go wrong. You literally can't go wrong with a solid 3-piece wheel setup. So we just had to do it for the 2022 BRZ. That's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. This video may have or may have not been a little bit long. I feel like I filmed, I feel like over a span of like 3 to 4 days. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a fat like on the video and comment down below what you guys think of the BRZ so far. And yeah, guys, don't forget we got the show, Slammed Enough show, April 10th coming up very soon. We're gonna have the Borgia Supply booth. And speaking of Borgia Supply, click that link down below for the new drop of the new hoodies as well as the license plate frames that I showed you guys. If you guys want to see more videos with this car and some more sick content, cop something down below on the website. It truly means a lot, guys. I honestly appreciate every single one of you guys who watch the videos, buy some merch, who share the content, everything. Without you guys, this would not even be happening. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of appreciation. But yeah, I have not ate in, I want to say at least 8 hours. So with that being said, I'm going to head home right now. I'm so starving. Hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. I'll catch y'all later.